Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to create a professional email on Hostinger. So to create an email on Hostinger, all you have to do is just log in. Once you log in, you get this interface. Okay, now come to this very place where you see emails, click on it. Once you click on it, it opens up. These are the website I have here. So let's use First Horizon. Now I will click on manage. Once I click on manage, this interface opens up. Okay, it's loading up. All you have to do is just go straight to this email account, click on it, and now you can click on create new email account. Okay, we have only admin at firsthorizon.com and info at firsthorizon.com. Now I will create a support email. I'll just come in here and write support. Okay, that's it. Now character, let's generate a character, or you can actually use your own generate password, or you can actually use your own password. Oh, I don't like what they gave me. So let me just type in a random number. Make sure it is up to 8. Now we have our password. All right. Now you can actually put on password recovery email address. Now when you put this email, anytime that you need to recover your password, it will send a link will be sent to it for you to reset your password. For me, I don't want that. I don't want that. Okay, I need to have a symbol here. So I just added ads at that very password. Now I can hit on this create new account. Voila, I have successfully created an email account, and here it should be here. Let me refresh this. Okay, here it is, support at firsthorizon.com. Now this brings us to the end of this class.